Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, Yesterday, we saw some corrections in the US market, mainly driven by increasing restrictions or unrest in China, and also some statement from Fed member Willard that the interest rate will continue to increase during next year and is likely to reach 5.25%. From current 3.75 to 4%, and it has to move up and then stay high for some time to bring down the inflation to 2%. So based on that, some correction was seen in the US market. But today morning, Asia market are positive, specifically Hong Kong and China. These markets are up mainly on the theme of reopening. We had seen large COVID cases, and now people are talking about that these are peaking out, and then people have started buying reopening stock like tourism, retail, and all. But the larger index gain was in tech stock that has seen this Hong Kong China tech stock. The tech index is up by almost around 5%. That is mainly driven by a few good results of the tech company over there. And apart from that, even the property shares has also moved up sharply. That is mainly driven by support from the Industrial and Commerce Bank, which has yesterday, as we said, has indicated that they will be infusing around the $179 billion to support to the developer. So these are all things are acting positive for Hong Kong and China market, and Hong Kong is up by almost over 3% today. Apart from that, even this is getting reflected into commodity also. Oil is up by almost around $1.5 from yesterday same time, and also iron ore is up by around 2.5%, and steel is up by around 1%. So positive trend from Asian markets, though futures of the US market are also marginally positive. So though SGX is showing some negative indications, but the overall indications from the international market, specifically Asia market, are a bit positive. So we may see some bounce back from the lower opening. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, Nifty made a new high and closing up a positive side. But Nifty last few weeks, we saw that trading in higher end. So we may see some profit booking at higher level. But the immediate support place for Nifty at 18,450. If Nifty break that level, then next immediate support is 18,370. Though majorly 18,370 is a major support for index. Till the date, we saw that market trading this range 18,370 and upside 18,600 and 650 level in upside. To next immediate resistance for Nifty 18,650. We today's we expect open a negative and remain a sideways in upper range. If Nifty break 18,450, then this profit booking may carry towards 18,370 level. Bank Nifty also trading the higher end and immediate support place around 43,000 and 42,770 and downside. Upside resistance place around 43,550 and 43,740 in Bank Nifty. Nifty Finance also trade in upper range, and we expect some profit booking in Nifty Finance also. First immediate support place 19,150 and 19,100, and resistance place around 19,250, 300 in upside. Stock specific, Apollo Tire looks positive. We saw that the positive momentum will continue in Apollo Tire. ACC also looks positive. We already mentioned in monthly report. So upside first intraday target around 2590 and 2640, and support place around 2480 and downside. Tata Motors looks weak at current level, but Tata Motors trading the major support zone. If Tata Motors break 430 level, then we expect further sell off towards 420, 418 and downside. So weak side, we Hindalco, Jindal Steel, and Havells also looks weak at current level. That's it for technical. Derivatives I can say.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. Good morning, everyone. So, as per derivatives data, if we look at the overall structure from the OI position, it clearly seems that from 18,400 to 600 level put at the positions are getting added up, while against that we are seeing that from 18,700 to 18,900 call at the positions are getting added up. But if we compare both the positions, we are seeing that put at the positions are more aggressive than the call at the positions. So the supportive level for the Nifty would be 18,500 level. So yesterday we saw that a Nifty on a spot basis managed to break 18,600 level, but again it came close below 18,600 level. So once in next 1 to 2 days, if Nifty manages to break and close on the spot level above 18,600 level, then this is the rally would be confirmed for 18,800 to 19,000 level. While PCR yesterday closed at 1.28 level, so it is a positive rate when the PCR still trading above 1.15 level. The next range for the PCR would be 1.40, and the next resistance will place at 1.40 level. So overall, if you look at the structure from the derivative data point like PCR, India VIX, all are trading at the supportive range, and we expect the rally to continue further with the support of 18,500 level. Currently, as per stock specific, we expect the selective stocks like MCX, Cummins India, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, all the IT counters we are seeing are showing some positive strength, and we expect the strength to be continued in the market. Or selective from that, like TCS, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra, looks positive for today's trading session also. That's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. HCL Tech has signed a multi-year contract with Swiss firm SR Technics for the digital transformation of its business. The size of the deal is not known. This is positive for HCL Tech. Other than this, as per the media sources, the domestic carriers flew more than 4 lakh passengers for 2 consecutive days on weekend, which indicates the air traffic is picking up. It is yet to reach the pre-COVID level when the daily average passenger number was more than 4 lakh. This is positive for airline industry. Thank you. Ah, sir, sir, you can take
Sorry,
ahead.
sorry. Yeah,
Yes.
sorry. Yeah. Fusion Microsystem has reported numbers yesterday, post market hours. This is a newly listed company in microfinance. The IPO price was 368. Yesterday price was 375. The numbers were quite good. That has shown quarter-on-quarter growth of almost around 30% in NII, net interest income, and PPP growth of almost around 56%, and PAT growth of around 26%. Company has taken a higher provision of almost around 61%, 61 crore against 20 crore. That is to reduce the net NPA, and the net NPA level has come off from 1.4 to 1.1. So overall seems quite positive, and valuation, if we compare it with Axis Grameen or Arman Finance, then quite attractive. So overall seems positive for Fusion Microsystems. So anything else, or should we, the commodity team can take up from here?
Thank you, sir. Good morning, everyone. Today in commodity, we could witness a mixed bag, whereas gold and silver looks a bit in correcting mode. Prices should correct, though a pullback can witness in gold till 53,000. but we feel that prices should correct from there and test 52,700 to 500 on lower end. So one can maintain a stop loss of 53 to 300. And silver also, this gold is of February contract, and the silver March contract might pull back till 62 400 and sorry 62 900, and one should sell with a stop loss of 63 500. Prices can correct till 62 300 to 62 61 800. In crude, we might see some pullback, and one should buy around 62 70 levels with a stop loss of 6200. Prices can test 6400 to 6450 on higher end. In natural gas also, prices are expected to test 610 615 levels. So buying on dips in natural gas is recommended with a stop loss of 580. In metal front, we might see yesterday we had seen a good recovery, and there should be a follow-up buying. So buying on dips is recommended. Though prices could open gap up, but we expect prices to test copper in at around 677 682 levels, and one should buy on dips in copper. Similarly, zinc also, as long as holds 262, one should buy and keep a target of 267 268 levels on higher end. So all in all, buying in metal front is expected today. Aluminum also, as long as is holding 205 levels, one should maintain a buy for the target of 208 to 210. Yeah, that's it from me. I'll ask Ria to take over from here.
Thank you, sir. On the currency front, we are seeing some gap up that has happened into the USD/INR in yesterday's sessions. However, 81.61 remains a very crucial support, and below the same could lead the pair towards the level of 81.48, 81.30. As far as other pair goes, we are seeing quite a gap down that is happening. The sessions could be volatile in the other domestic pairs. The support into the JPY INR could be placed at around 59.03. If it breaches that, then the bearish leg will continue towards the 58.75 levels. However, in the first hour of the session, we could see some pullback happening into the pair towards the level of 59.20, 59.36. However, look for a breakout of 59.15 to keep 59.35 as a target. For GBP INR, the support is placed at 97.93. If it breaches that, the pair could test the lows of 97.53, 97.27. Pullback could be expected till 98.33 levels. Same with the Euro INR. It has opened heavily with a gap down at around 84.89. It could see a consolidation to pullback session in intraday in the today's session. The consolidation range will be within the levels of 84.95, 84.79. If it gives a breakout to this level, almost 50 bips moment can be seen into the pair. So look for a breakout of this range. That's all on the currency front. Thank you.